Hey guys, Mr. Golias here, taking a look at the intermediate challenge. So you'll notice we're not giving you the resources as a intermediate challenge to say, hey, do this, do this, do this, but I do want to coach you on how you can get there. So one search that I would do is Maze Scratch. And just by searching that on YouTube, this first one I can tell you is definitely helpful. But there's a whole bunch more that you'll be able to scroll through and find which ones you like. But just a simple search like that is super helpful. And you'll notice mine had popped up and I started watching the video, and that's a great way to get started. Sometimes to the right you may get recommendations that help, like maybe this 3.0 one is, you'll notice it was made just a year ago, whereas this one was made so long ago it may not be as helpful. Finally, as I try to level up and make a different background and all that, I may want to do a search like Scratch tutorial level up. And then I might find out, oh, that's how they leveled up there, and I use the code blocks that way. So it is an intermediate challenge, a little bit more work on your end, a little bit more challenging, but nothing you can't handle. Good luck, guys, and enjoy.